In the weeks immediately before a Samsung event, sooner or later we get to the point where we have no idea what is left there to leak. Android manufacturers are bad at keeping secrets, and the Korean tech giant is by far one of the worst offenders. This time around, the situation is hardly any different. Samsung is preparing to launch its flagship series for 2023, the Samsung Galaxy S23 lineup, at an event that will take place on February 1st. And after the entire spec sheet and multiple renderings have been leaked, next in line are the official Samsung accessories. Even Blast, a prolific tech tipster with a rather reliable track record, has shared images of some of Samsung's official cases for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Based on the images, we can deduce that Samsung's proprietary accessories will be very similar to the ones from last year. At least one case design is making a full comeback. Just as before, the Ultra will be getting a smart clear view cover. The latter will come in 4 tints, each corresponding to one of the colors of this year's lineup. Namely, these are rumored to be Cotton Flower, Phantom Black, Botanic Green, and Misty Lilac. In layman's terms, these shades roughly translate to beige, black, green, and light pink. While only the smart clear view covers have formally been leaked, we can assume that Samsung's other official case lineups will also be making a return. This includes the LED view covers and the silicone covers with straps. At any rate, for the time being, it looks like there will be no surprises when it comes to Samsung's looming announcement. Everything from the smartphones to the accessories looks very familiar. Whether that is a good thing remains to be seen. We'll likely know more as we progress through January and get toward that expected February launch date. But if the rumors turn out to be accurate, the Galaxy S23 lineup will probably be a modest step up from the Galaxy S22 family. Overall, the Galaxy S23 series looks set to offer a range of options for different budgets, with the entry-level Galaxy S23 starting at a more affordable $799 and the fully kitted-out Galaxy S23 Ultra reaching up to $1,499. With a release date just around the corner, we'll have to wait and see if these leaks prove to be accurate. So, what do you guys think about these cases? Let us know your opinion in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.